So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom group share. So we know that previously when you have discussed the 14 rupees level, you have done the complete technical analysis. So in between the stock has opened the circuit for one time. So after that again it has closed in the upper circuit. So currently it has approached the 18 rupees level. So what would be the next possible levels that we need to focus? So we'll try to discuss that. And in the same way, we'll also see on regular basis how the deliveries are increasing, especially on daily basis followed by weekly basis as well. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so when we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Brightcom group share, so you can see on 22nd June also we have seen 100% deliveries, and we can see the stock has given almost 5% upper circuit. So we know currently it is almost approached the 18 rupees region, and we can also see that the amount of volumes that we used to see on day-to-day basis, so they have also increased. So earlier when we have done the technical analysis, so first we have done near the 8 rupees, after that again have done near the 14 rupees, so that you will also have the complete clarity. So in between also it has corrected a little bit, it has gone even to 11 rupees. So still when people ask me in Instagram, I told them to hold this particular stock. We also know that in the coming month also a board meeting is scheduled. So on due to many reasons the stock was looking positive, and in the same way it is continuing that particular uptrend, because this particular stock was only left for its movement because it was already traveling in that undervalued region for many months as well as weeks. So when the time has come after the consolidation, so now it is showing whatever it wants to prove, and we can see the day-to-day wise upper circuits are present. So whatever happens, so we'll see what are the supports and resistances that we need to focus. So if any opportunity comes, if circuit opens, so what are the levels that we need to focus also we will discuss. So on day-to-day wise basis, we are seeing a very good deliveries are present, especially in the last 2 days itself it was giving complete clarity that the increase in volume followed by 100% deliveries. So that was on day-to-day wise, but if we see weekly average also, you can see the percentages increasing. So earlier if we see from 13 June to 19 June, so that time on an average we have seen 51.3%, but you can see a huge jump was present to 83.6% in the last whatever weeks, the average percentage, and you can see movement it has given 15%. Okay, so these are the things that you need to focus. So deliveries are increasing. So quickly let's go to charts and we'll see what are the next possible supports and resistances. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of BCG share. And once you see the weekly chart time frame, so you can understand after crossing the 200-day exponential moving average, the stock was completely looking in bullish phase. So already I discussed about this particular moving average, and in the same way you can also see that the 50-day moving average, it is coming very closer to the 200-day, and whenever any crossover happens, we need to identify that as a bullish crossover. So still it has not happened. So now you can see they're almost approaching closer to each other. So still we can expect the bullish momentum in this particular stock, but on safe side you can take the 18 rupees as the very important resistive region that we need to watch out tomorrow, and the same way supports wise you can take 17 rupees as one important support. So this is on weekly chart time frame, but for time being you need to observe the moving average crossover as well. So if we go a little bit down and if we see money flow index, so that is near 72, so it has also not gone to the overbought region. So still it is showing that it can go to higher levels. So basically 90 above is overbought, so it is still in 72. So you can expect a continuously upper circuit stock, whatever happens, so still momentum may also be seen. So this is according to money flow index. So now this is weekly chart, so let's go and see on daily chart as well. Okay, so in daily chart whatever the levels we can see, so after showing a very good uptrend, it has corrected in between. Again it is showing the same way. So whatever happens, this is a healthy move that I can recognize. But if generally if we see any upper circuit stock, we basically see a huge uptrend line, but this stock in between, it is opening, again it is taking the correction gap, and again it is rising. So again, if it shows any correction in future, so you need to take the opportunity and need to accumulate in small portions. So long term also it is very good, especially I recommended it for the business prospect itself, and also because it was in completely undervalued region, I told you can buy this stock if you want to invest any for swing or long term as well. Okay, so that was the reason. And the same way in daily chart, if you see the money flow, that is still in the 70 region. So this particular month is also very good for Brightcom Group. So we know next month is also going to be very crucial because of the dates which they have provided related to the meeting. So board meeting, whatever the board meeting will be held. So till that time, you can hold this particular stock patiently. So as I told, next immediate level that you need to focus 18. So after that 20 plus can be seen in it. So these are the near term levels. And if you want to buy, okay, ultimate support also make sure you're marking it, that is 15 rupees level. So because that was previous zone where it has taken the gap, so that you can take as a very strong support. So these are the levels that you need to focus in near term. So further, if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.